the damages you have caused to the third party, but for your vehicle, they don't do anything for you. If you are injured, they will support you financially, for your hospital bills and all that. But for your vehicle, it is not covered. That is third party. Now, most people do third party because, well, it is the cheapest, and of course, they can be driving around without any harassment for the police. But most people are not really enlightened about it. So when there's an accident and they go for help and they don't receive help, especially for their vehicles, they tend to be angry and frustrated and complain that insurance doesn't help them. Meanwhile, third party does not cover for your vehicle. Third party does not cover for your vehicle. It only covers for the other person's vehicle. I hope this is clear enough. Now, as to the cost, National Insurance Commission regulates all the insurance companies across the country. So the fee for the third party is fixed across board. Any insurance company at all you go to has the same price. For private vehicles, they pay 402 Ghana cedis for a saloon car. So any car that picks 5 people, you pay 482 Ghana cedis. Now, depending on the price is usually affected by, or what usually affects the price is the number of passengers the vehicle carries. So if you have a van and it picks obviously more than 5 people, you pay more. So take note of that. So private vehicles pay 482 Ghana cedis. Commercial vehicles pay 637 Ghana cedis, roughly. So if you're a taxi driver and you are paying, you are going to do insurance for your vehicle, you pay 637 Ghana cedis. Now take note, premiums are paid yearly. Premiums are paid yearly. So all the figures I mentioned earlier are paid on a yearly basis. However, if you want it at shorter intervals, you can also request for it. Maybe you don't have money to pay for the full year. You want to pay for 6 months. You are allowed to do so. You want to pay for 3 months. You are also allowed to do so. Now, the thing is that they don't usually encourage paying at shorter intervals. So if you are paying at shorter intervals, you tend to pay more overall than if you are paying yearly. So for example, if you are paying 482 Ghana cedis for a year for a private vehicle, 6 months will not be half the amount. You might be paying about 300 cedis for 6 months. So if you pay 6 months 300 and you pay another 6 months 300, it sums up to 600. So you might have ended up cheating yourself if you had paid 6 months 6 months. So take note of this when you are doing your insurance. Now let's move on to theft and fire. Everything I've said about third party still applies to theft and fire. The only additional benefit is that